Okay, I'm going to have a go at the flag of Europe, and that involves 12 stars. And in the past we've been copying and pasting when we've got 4 things to do, but when we've got 12 we really don't want to be using copy and paste. We don't want to use copy and paste for 4 even either. So going to be looking at 4 loops. That's how you can repeat things over and over again. We've made a start here. We've got the blue background in place, 150 by 100, and then we've got to put these stars into place. So I'm going to pinch a bit of code from an earlier, this one here, flags with stars. Let's just take out the star function. So this function draws a star with a radius of 100. So just paste that code in. So when you call star with ctx, then you get a star with radius 100. Let's just have a go at that. So ctx dot fill style equals yellow. And if I call star with ctx as a parameter, it should put a star at 0, 0. Okay, all right, so that's the big star. You can see it's centered here, so you can't see most of it. Right, now, traditional way to deal with this is to, the position first is to move the background with a translate. So if I translate to the center of that place, which is the center of this circle, that will be translate to 75, 50, and then draw the star. That's a bit better. And what I'm going to do is shrink that star down and also rotate it. Let's have a go at doing something 12 times. Let's just stick with the star we've got. So if I say, if I put that star in a loop, say, so a loop goes like this. You can say for let I equals 0. I is less than the number of times you want the loop to run. Well, we want the loop to run 12 times, but I'm just going to go 3 times to start with. I++. And then we can do the star. We always indent the body of the loop. So if you've got something inside a loop, you do it 3 times. If I just do that, it'll draw the same star over and over again in the same place, which is not what I want. What I do want to do, though, is to rotate each time. So if I do ctx dot rotate. Okay, now the amount that I'm going to want to rotate, I'm going to want to rotate 12 times, so I want a 12th of a full circle. So a full circle is 2 times math.pi, and I want to rotate each time 1/12 of that. So I'm doing a 12th of a full circle each time round. Let's try that. Okay, it's hard to see, but what's happened is the star's been redrawn 3 times. Okay, that's clearly not enough. What we're going to do is move the star, and we're going to rotate each time, and we're going to shrink it. So the procedure, what I want to do is every time I go through this loop, I want to move up this distance here. I'm going to move up by this distance, and the stars are in a circle radius 100 over 3, so I'm going to move up 100 over 3, 33 and a third up, and then I'm going to draw the star. So I do ctx dot translate. Now it's an upward movement, so that's a negative number. So we move 0 in the x direction, and we move minus 100 over 3 in the y direction. I'm going to draw my star, and then before I do the rotate, I'm going to come back again. So I'm going to undo that translation. So I'm going to move up, draw the star, come down again. I also want to draw the star much smaller than that. That's way too big. So what I'm going to do is scale. So ctx scale, and the amount I want to scale by, each star has a radius of 7. So I'm going to scale by 7 divided by 100 in both x and y direction. So scale by 7 by 100. And I'm also going to unscale. All right, so that's how you scale up. How do you scale down? Well, you don't do negative, you do the reciprocal. So I'm going to scale down by, sorry, scale back up again. So the first one made it smaller, and this one is going to make it larger again. The idea is that inside the loop, I want as little as possible to change. So this moves it back, this makes it smaller, and this makes it bigger. So each of these transformations I'm doing, I undo after I've drawn my star. So the procedure is you go up, shrink, draw the star, down, turn. Up, shrink, draw the star, down, turn. That's like a dance move, isn't it? That's pretty good. It's going in the different direction. I was expecting to go the other way, but that's fine. And we don't want to do it 3 times, we want to do it 12 times. There we go, lovely. We've got that done. It's giving me a lousy score because I forgot the colour. The colour's not yellow, it's gold. That'll work. That's the 100% we're looking for.